One of the last steps to finish up your Facebook ads campaign is to basically add the website or the landing page you want the users to go to after they've seen your ads. And to properly analyze that traffic, we need to use so-called UTM terms or URL parameters. Let me show you the other side, basically the analytics side, because if you're just setting up the ads, it's not really obvious why you need to use those UTM terms. I have switched to Google Analytics. This is one of the websites we were promoting last year. And here, as you can see, we have different languages, but most importantly, we have the UTM terms. Since the primary source of traffic we were using was Facebook ads, the UTM terms are not really that different from each other. But we can see here that we have this Facebook profile UTM term, and we have Instagram Facebook traffic UTM term, and so yeah, we can already make some conclusions that we had one person coming, that we had one person visiting our website from Facebook profile, we had one person visiting the profile from Instagram, and from our ads we had people speaking Spanish, Russian, Portuguese. So if you're having a lot of different campaigns and different ad creatives, you can track all of them, and then in Google Analytics you can compare them to each other and make some conclusions. So let's get back to Facebook ads and see how those UTM terms are being set up. So let's say we want to promote a website called example.com. So to add a URL parameter to this link, we just need to click this blue button called Build a URL Parameter. Once it's clicked, we're gonna see a pop-up, and here we can basically add those parameters. We can add more than 4 by using this button. So let's say we want to specify the campaign name. Here, by the way, under every field you have a small hint of what is recommended to put inside of those fields, but you know, it's usually you need to discuss it with the person who's in charge of analytics, because the main use of those parameters is to differentiate one ad from another and to kind of compare them in the future. So I recommend you making some sort of structure of how you're gonna be naming those links, and yeah, then you need to follow this strategy. Do not get lost in the future. So usually in the campaign name field you can use this dynamic URL parameter. What it does, it just pulls the campaign name from the settings you have, and later on in your analytics tool that you're using, you'll see this campaign name. You can also just type something, let's say campaign traffic, you know, new. It's just, you need to know that this campaign corresponds to this link. It's the main criteria here. So campaign source, it's usually, yeah, to identify the source of traffic. This is for the advertising medium, and this one is to differentiate ads. You can also, as I've said before, add a parameter. You can call it, yeah, actually language is a good idea. So this is how it looks like. It's not gonna be a UTM term, it's gonna be something else, and I would recommend you to check whether your analytics tool supports those other parameter names. To check whether your analytics tool supports those other type of names. But yeah, basically this is how it's done. You can just add lots of different dynamic options. You can add your own and then track all the new changes in your analytics tool. Thank you for watching this video. We have a lot of content on digital marketing, different guides, tips, everything you can find on our YouTube channel. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, we'd be happy to assist you in the comments. and see you in the next one.